What is MariaDB? MariaDB is a drop-in replacement for the MySQL database. It is a fork of the MySQL project that was forked on January 4, 2008, by Monty the MySQL guy Widenius, who stated that he forked it because he disagreed with the management of the MySQL project. The MariaDB project. The project's goal is to deliver a commercial open-source database that is as easy to use as MySQL but has all the performance and reliability of Percona server. MariaDB, a brief history. It was forked from the much larger and more well-known MySQL project in October 2011 by a group of developers who wanted to focus more on enterprise features than those required for web/internet applications. MariaDB Architecture. Firstly, there are two types of storage engines in MariaDB, MyESOM and InnoDB. The default engine is MyESOM. InnoDB is the more modern engine. MariaDB installation and configuration. Just download the installer as per your operating system and unzip it. Then run the MySQL/MariaDB installer as administrator and follow the instructions. MariaDB, upgrading MariaDB. MariaDB is designed to be an easy upgrade for MySQL, which makes it suitable for use by all kinds of sites and organizations. MariaDB Security. In fact, if you use both of them on the same server, using MariaDB will make your site much more secure. MariaDB Data Integrity. It provides full ACID transaction support, which means it has built-in data integrity. MariaDB Replication. With MariaDB, you can set up a master-slave configuration that automatically replicates your data from the master server to the slave servers. MariaDB Clusters. This is possible because MariaDB clusters are built from highly available master-slave pairs of nodes. Another important aspect of MariaDB clusters is they are self-healing. MariaDB Cluster is the only commercially available database solution that provides true high availability, and this new feature is in MariaDB. MariaDB versus MySQL. It is a powerful, open-source relational database management system, RDBMS, that is based on the same technology as MySQL but has many advanced features not found in MySQL. MySQL and MariaDB are very similar products. The main differences between MariaDB and MySQL are: MariaDB is freely available. Benefits, pros and cons, of MariaDB over MySQL. There are many reasons why MariaDB is better than MySQL. MariaDB has a much larger development team. MariaDB has a much more comprehensive and powerful set of string data types. Drawbacks of MariaDB over MySQL. MariaDB is not as popular as MySQL. MariaDB is not as well written as MySQL. MariaDB is not as powerful as MySQL. MariaDB is not as secure as MySQL. Conclusion. MariaDB is a free, open-source, drop-in replacement for the proprietary MySQL database management system. It offers many new and innovative features which make it very suitable for use in web, intranet, internet and mobile applications.